The significance of repentance in Islam cannot be overstated. Individuals are urged to recognize their misdeeds and genuinely seek forgiveness. This notion underscores the intrinsic value of humility within the faith. Moreover, the speaker delves into the legal implications surrounding blasphemy laws in Pakistan. Advocating for the addition of repentance clauses, this approach aims to mitigate potential misuse of such laws, addressing critical societal issues and misconceptions. In conjunction with this, a clear definition of insult is crucial to minimize tensions among various Islamic sections. The speaker emphasizes that conflicting interpretations could incite baseless accusations and foster division. Additionally, maintaining a respectful demeanor when referencing the Prophet is imperative. Such conduct reflects one's faith and comprehension of reverence, aligning actions with Islamic teachings. To address allegations of religious insults, a proposed four-step procedure emphasizes the importance of evidence prior to initiating formal complaints. This method seeks to prevent unfounded accusations and guarantees fairness in dealing with these sensitive issues. Furthermore, the necessity of counseling for individuals accused of insults is discussed. This promotes understanding and rectifies behavior, highlighting the critical role of education and guidance in sustaining community harmony. The judiciary plays a pivotal role in religious cases by gathering insights from knowledgeable stakeholders. This inclusive process ensures that diverse perspectives are taken into account, ultimately leading to informed judicial decisions. In addition, caste and sectarian disparities frequently complicate legal proceedings in Pakistan. Misunderstandings stemming from these divisions can escalate into false accusations and social turmoil. Moreover, the emotional involvement of judges and societal pressures often shape judicial outcomes. The historical influence of politics has further intensified existing tensions within the legal system. The Iranian Revolution of 1979 ignited a wave of sectarian violence in Pakistan, significantly impacting the Shia community. Proxy wars were initiated to curb the expansion of Shia influence, exacerbating divisions. Additionally, military involvement in sectarian matters escalated violence against state institutions, perpetuating a cycle of retaliation. This rampant violence culminated in the tragic APS incident in 2014. Political manipulation of religious sentiment has been a recurring narrative, exemplified by protests led by Kadhim Rizvi. Such actions aim to destabilize governments by exploiting existing sectarian divides. The intertwining of religion and politics underscores a troubling trend where leaders often place their interests above genuine faith. This manipulation threatens the integrity of religious sentiments. Incidents of violence and public discontent against political figures reveal how opposition can make leaders targets. This situation reflects the volatile nature of political interactions. Moreover, critiques of religious figures regarding their financial motivations raise concerns about their sincerity. Many individuals seem to engage in religious activities primarily for monetary rewards rather than true devotion. The discussion on Ghazi-il-Muddin's extrajudicial acts in 1929 raises profound moral questions about taking justice into one's own hands. This ongoing debate highlights the complexities of justice and accountability. The speaker further examines local and international jihad movements, emphasizing the distinctions and conflicts among various factions, specifically the Sunni-Shia divide. This analysis underscores the intricate dynamics within Islamic interpretations. Recent instances of violence in Pakistan serve as stark reminders of how religious extremism can lead to devastating outcomes, including police confrontations and mob justice. These occurrences necessitate a closer examination of law enforcement and societal reactions. The speaker articulates frustration regarding the lack of accountability among religious leaders, who often seek forgiveness when faced with threats. This trend points to a concerning insincerity in addressing grievances. Moreover, the speaker calls for an acknowledgement of ideological rifts within the Muslim community. He urges unity in denouncing violence while fostering genuine repentance among those who have committed transgressions against Islam. The discussion encompasses significant events like the hanging of Mumtaz Qadri, illustrating the repercussions of religious extremism and the necessity for a steadfast stance against violence in matters of faith. Additionally, the construction of a mausoleum raises ethical concerns regarding the veneration of individuals deemed traitors by society. This situation reflects a clash of values and challenges the moral positions of current rulers. The speaker's emphasis on the need for repentance within legal frameworks signals a desire for reform in both religious and political spheres. This reflects a pressing need for moral introspection among leaders. Moreover, the interpretation of religious laws concerning punishment for disrespecting religious figures reveals inconsistencies in implementation between Muslims and non-Muslims. This raises essential questions about justice and equity in society. The importance of repentance is particularly highlighted concerning grave sins like adultery, illustrating that sincere contrition can lead to forgiveness and personal transformation. The notion of insolence towards Allah is also discussed, particularly relating to beliefs about God having a son. This aspect reflects the theological contrasts between Muslims and Christians. Lastly, the necessity of repentance within the Muslim community is emphasized, especially for those who may stray from true worship. This highlights that repentance remains an ever-present opportunity for believers.